You guys, so we're at the McDonald's and legit, like, this is so... What are these for? Honestly, I think I'm gonna, like, be obsessed with this. Okay, you guys, so there's a McDonald's right next to my hotel, and I have been to 2 McDonald's in the past 20 years, and... like, why does McDonald's have all the highest technology? They had flat screens in there, bro. And they have mobile order, and they have drive-thru, and they have Uber Eats. Like, what is going on? Where have I been all these years? Like...
Watch me a blur
Okay.
with this Big Mac.
So I just took the first bite out of the chicken nugget. It's stale AF. And inside it tastes so weird. Like, it does not taste like normal. Like, it doesn't taste like chicken. Is that supposed to be that way?
Should be chicken, I would think.
Like, it tastes weird. The fries are okay. But again, it doesn't taste like anything. I'm so annoyed. I paid all this money. Wait, is that why it's so cheap?
I feel like they gave you more than 10.
1, 2, I just ate 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't with these chicken nuggets. There's something that's like, I don't like in them. It's like, it has like a weird aftertaste. Do you get what I'm saying?
Okay, a little bit.
I don't know. I feel like the fries are not bad just because...
No, the fries are the best thing.
Yeah. Like, it's fries. It's not like there's...
But they do make the bombest fries, I feel like, out of all the fast food chains.
Really?
I don't know if I'm the only person who remembers these. A lot of people don't know what I'm talking about when I mention them. Do you remember those, like, snack things where they were, like, fries?
But they're like...